This is the beginning of our red pea soup. In this slow cooker pot here, I have some beef, some pigtail, and some peas. My peas has been washed and put to soak for about 3 hours. The pigtail has been washed, put to soak for about 2 to 3 hours, change about 2 times, and then we add everything to the crock pot here, season with onion, thyme, pepper, chives, and some all spices, also some crushed garlic. So we are going to leave this slowly cook for about 3 hours. About 3 hours later, the peas and the meat is almost ready. So I remove it from the crock pot and add it to the stove top. I am going to add some water to the pot, leave it come to a boil, then I will continue to add the rest of my ingredients. Our soup have come to a boil, and we are going to go ahead and start to add the ingredients. First, I add some carrots. I'm going to add my yams. Then I'm going to add some sweet potatoes. This is the orange sweet potato. This is some sweet potato also, the white sweet potato. I add some corn also, pumpkin, and of course dumpling for all the dumpling lovers. Some crushed garlics, a nice piece of thyme. That's some chives right there, cut in small pieces. And we are going to add some crushed allspice, and of course some coconut milk to make everything delicious. I add 2 chicken bouillon to the pot and give it a nice stir. This is a large amount of soup, but you can always split the ingredients. If you notice, I add all the vegetables at once because I want it to cook where the vegetables start to melt to give the soup a nice thickness. About 45 minutes later, our soup is ready. So guys, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive my new videos. And thanks for watching, guys. And also like this video. Share. Bye.